This is Ivy and welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone! What's up? And good morning everybody! And welcome here again in my channel! This is Ivy and welcome to my world! Yes guys, I'm sorry if I am so hyper today. I am so loud. I am just so happy, you know. Who wouldn't be happy to get another items? Pampa Beauty, guys. Well, it's actually not Pampa Beauty. It's for our skincare. As you can see in the title below, that we are going to do another unboxing. A mini fridge unboxing. I'm sorry, guys. I am just so excited. But before anything else, guys, if this is your first time being here in my channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button below and that notification bell as well so that you will be notified when I do another unboxing or I do cooking, I do family trip. Yes guys, my vlog is just about anything under the sun. You know, I really don't have any particular niche, but that's what I can offer to you. So I hope you will enjoy this next video because our unboxing is really a beauty. So let's go get my box. Here it is. I already prepared my scissor to open it. As you can see here in the front picture, this is how our mini fridge looks like. So let's go to the business and tear this box apart. All right. Okay, so are you ready? Are you ready? I think I put it in the wrong. No, this is not the wrong way. This is the right way. So for me to be able to get this, I have to put the box down and charan, 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 charan. So guys, this is our mini fridge. This part right here is the front. Why my camera is a little bit shaky and my face, why my face is like a bit dark. So let's take this styrofoam. Ooh, and the back one. Ooh, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh my god, this is our mini fridge and it has this mirror on the front. Wow. And it has a handle on the top which is easy for you to carry. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It is so gorgeous. Are you ready to see what's inside? Are you ready? Let's open and see what's inside. Oops. Oh, this has like a button here that you have to press so that the front door will open. Open sesame! Voila! This is what inside looks like, guys. Wow! It comes with, of course, a manual. It tells you everything about our mini fridge. So what else we have here? Let's go get this one. This is the cord, guys. Oh my gosh, you can also bring it to your car because it has this car charger. It comes with 2 cords. Yes, and the other one is for the electric. I don't think I will be taking this fridge anywhere where I go. But yes, it has this divider up here that I don't know if I can remove it or what. But it doesn't seem like removable. Yeah, and this one right here is for the door, which is perfect for our face mask. Yes, guys, this will be perfect for our face mask. Now, I put it in the wrong way. There you go. Voila. And it will just lock. Press this one right here to lock. Press it, this one right here. Did you see this little line here? Yes, oh my gosh. My skincare will fit. This one does not, but most of my skincare. So now guys, I will be able to keep this aloe gel cool because it actually fits in there. Look at that. And my serum right there, and even my jade. I have this jade ruler that I can put in my bag and put it over here or put it over there. And then my mask, look at that mask. I have to find the rest of my mask because I can't remember which box I had stored them during the move. So right there, and voila. Yes guys, oh my gosh, it is so cute. And I love that it has mirror in the front. Wow, and it has a handle. See guys, this is how it looks. And look at the back. It's light show guys, it's very light. It's light, I mean, it's enough for me to carry. So guys, that's it for our unboxing today, our mini fridge. Thank you so much guys for watching this, another beauty product, beauty unboxing. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting my channel. And I want to say, keep on smiling everyone, and I love you. Mwah! Bye!